Today we're going to talk about the budget versus the income and outgo. There's two sides, right? We talked about this in a previous video, two sides of the coin. If you're struggling with your money, with your budget, sometimes it's not really about your budget. It's not really about your expenses. Sometimes you've cut everything that you can. You've tightened the belt, you've trimmed the fat, whatever analogy or cliche you want to use. But it might not be about that. Maybe you've done everything you can, but it's just about the income at that point. So what do we do to make more money, right? All of these videos, my membership, everything is all about saving you money, making you money, handling your money better. So sometimes it's about getting extra income. And that doesn't mean that you have to go and get a second job where you're clocking in and out, that you have a steady paycheck on a 20-hour-a-week basis. Sometimes that is the case, and sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's just a little idea, a little side gig, a little side hustle, as we're calling it now, and that can get you 500, 1,000, 1,500, whatever it might be, a month to change that gap that you have from your income versus your expenses. So if you don't have enough income coming in and you wanted to get into some extra cash, there are several different things that you can do. Obviously, you can start a business. Some businesses cost more money to start than others, but there's always these side hustles. So check out the list I'm going to put in this video in the notes. Got a little bit of a description there, and here's some of the ideas that you can tap into in order to make a few extra dollars. And that could be very little, just to supplement some gap, or it could actually turn into something bigger. Maybe you do find a side business. Maybe you do find a really good side gig that you can make more money at than you can your day job. If that's the case, then you really do want to explore looking into starting your business at that point. But there's a list of some of those ideas that you can do to get a little bit more money if it's not about the budget, it's about the income. All right, enjoy the list, add to it if you want, come up with some creative ideas, and go make some cash.